Hello, my name is Zach Daniels, completing the assignment that's due. Um, as you can see, my first video here is on GoDoodle. It's actually kind of funny that it was in the thing. I just learned about it this past week while I was at school. Um, and I haven't started using it yet, but I have found videos I want to use. Especially for my kids, I do see this as a very useful tool, especially for students with that I teach, which are students with intellectual disabilities. I'm already seeing a use for it. I'm planning a use for it for this upcoming week and in the weeks that follow, especially when my kids are supposed to come back to school from being at home. It's very straightforward. You can search your own videos if you want. You can go to categories and you can do actual core subjects. Or you can do, this is probably what I will do, would be like sensory and motor skills to work on my kids' movements. We'll also do some movement types, some stretching, some breathing. We already do like a little dance session on Fridays in my class. It's one of the highlights that my kids find. But I do see this as a big use. If you go through some of the videos have songs that like all of us might know from when we were younger, like what's one I just had, the Cupid Shuffle or the Electric Slide. Some guided dances, and on the videos themselves, they actually show you how to do the dance, so the kids can follow along and they can participate. As I said before, I think this is a very useful, especially now with teaching virtual. You need to put in breaks throughout the classes so they're not all drawn out. This is a perfect example. Personally, I would use it. I do plan on using it because I personally can't sit in front of a computer for 45 minutes and teach, 45 minutes, an hour. Neither can my students. So this would be a good way to break up the class throughout the day and move on. And so Plus it also works on some of their motor skills that a few of my students actually need. So this was my first presentation. Thank you.